Above Earth's silence, invisible eyes are always watching, and many of them belong to Israel. From orbiting satellites mapping every inch of the Middle East to laser systems capable of striking threats at the speed of light, Israel's defense has moved beyond the battlefield into space itself. This isn't science fiction, it's today's reality. A silent war fought in the stars. Welcome back to my channel. For decades, Israel's survival has depended on technology and innovation. Now that innovation has reached the cosmos, where intelligence, precision, and dominance are defined not by tanks and jets, but by satellites and beams of pure light. Israel's space arsenal is a fusion of speed, data, and deadly accuracy. The Ofek satellite series gives Israel 24/7 global surveillance, tracking enemy movements, missile tests, and even cyber warfare threats from thousands of miles away. But surveillance is only half the story. Israel's Iron Beam laser defense system represents the dawn of a new era. It can destroy rockets, drones, and mortars in seconds without costly ammunition. It's quiet, invisible, and nearly unstoppable. In a world of rising tensions, from Iran's drone networks to regional proxy wars, this technology changes everything. Behind the calm efficiency lies a deeper message. Israel is preparing for wars that haven't even started yet. Space has become the new front line, and whoever controls it controls the narrative of power. The U.S. and allies watch closely, knowing that Israel's advances in laser defense and satellite surveillance could redefine global defense strategy. The sky is no longer just a boundary, it's the ultimate battlefield, and Israel, once surrounded by threats, now looks down from above, ready, aware, and unblinking.